Welcome to Autopulse. Today, we're reviewing one of the most versatile and reliable vans in the market, the Toyota Hiace. Known for its durability, spacious design, and powerful performance, the Hiace has been a top choice for businesses, families, and travel enthusiasts worldwide. Toyota has continuously refined the Hiace, offering modern features while maintaining its reputation for reliability. Whether you need a van for commercial purposes, passenger transport, or luxury travel, the Hiace delivers on all fronts. In this review, we'll cover its exterior design, interior comfort, engine performance, safety features, and price to see if it's the right choice for you. So, let's dive into the details and see what makes the Toyota Hiace stand out in its class. The Toyota Hiace boasts a bold and modern exterior design, perfectly balancing functionality and style. Its aerodynamic shape improves fuel efficiency while giving it a sleek, contemporary look. The front fascia features a large grille, sharp LED headlights, and a strong bumper, adding to its robust presence. The side profile is clean and streamlined, with large sliding doors for easy access. At the rear, stylish taillights and a wide-opening tailgate make loading and unloading effortless. The Hiace sits on sturdy 16-inch alloy wheels, ensuring stability on various terrains. Toyota offers different body configurations, including standard and high-roof variants, catering to various needs. Whether you're using it for business or luxury transport, the Hiace's well-crafted exterior ensures durability, practicality, and a professional appearance on the road. Step inside the Toyota Hiace, and you're greeted with a spacious and practical cabin. Depending on the configuration, the Hiace can accommodate up to 15 passengers, making it an excellent choice for travel and transport services. The seats are ergonomically designed for comfort, with high-quality fabric or optional leather upholstery. The driver's cockpit is modern and functional, featuring a multi-information display, touchscreen infotainment system, and steering-mounted controls for convenience. Air conditioning vents are strategically placed to ensure even cooling throughout the cabin. There's plenty of storage space, including overhead compartments and under-seat storage, making long journeys more comfortable. The wide sliding doors allow passengers to enter and exit with ease. Toyota has focused on improving noise insulation, creating a quiet and pleasant ride. Whether for business, family, or commercial use, the Hiace's interior is designed for comfort, efficiency, and practicality. Under the hood, the Toyota Hiace is powered by a 2.8L turbo diesel engine, delivering 154 to 174 horsepower and 420 to 450 Nm of torque. This powerful yet efficient engine ensures smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy, making it ideal for long-distance travel and heavy-duty use. The 6-speed automatic or manual transmission provides seamless gear shifts for a comfortable driving experience. The Hiace is built on a ladder frame chassis, enhancing durability and stability, especially when carrying heavy loads. Whether driving in the city or on highways, the Hiace offers good suspension and responsive handling, ensuring a stable and smooth ride. The high ground clearance allows it to tackle rough roads without difficulty. Toyota has designed the engine for low maintenance and long-term reliability, ensuring that the Hiace remains a cost-effective and dependable choice for businesses and transport services. Safety is a top priority in the Toyota Hiace, equipped with advanced features to protect passengers and drivers alike. The Toyota Safety Sense package includes pre-collision system (PCs), lane departure alert (LDA), adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. The anti-lock braking system (ABS), electronic brake force distribution (EBD), and vehicle stability control (VSC) enhance stability and braking performance. The Hiace also features multiple airbags, including driver, passenger, and side curtain airbags, ensuring maximum protection in case of an accident. Parking is made easier with a rear-view camera and parking sensors, reducing blind spots and improving maneuverability. The strong body structure and impact-absorbing zones enhance crash safety. Toyota has built the Hiace to meet global safety standards, making it one of the safest vans in its category. Whether for commercial or family use, the Hiace provides peace of mind on the road. The Toyota Hiace offers excellent value for its features, performance, and reliability. Pricing varies depending on the variant and configuration, with the standard model starting at approximately $40,000, while high roof and premium models can go up to $55,000 or more. The Hiace's fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs make it a cost-effective choice for businesses and fleet operators. Compared to competitors, the Hiace stands out with its durability, resale value, and Toyota's trusted reputation. Financing and leasing options are available in many markets, making it easier for businesses to invest in this dependable van. Whether you need it for cargo transport, passenger travel, or luxury conversions, the Hiace provides long-term reliability and great return on investment. If you're looking for a spacious, powerful, and safe van, the Toyota Hiace is undoubtedly one of the best choices available today. Would you like any modifications, such as a different tone or additional details?